Hi, I'm Lakeisha Wolf, and I'm the Executive Director of the Ujamaa Collective based in the Hill District of Pittsburgh, and I'm also one of the co-hosts for the Making Your Future web series. So Ujamaa was really born out of a common need for Africana artists who were here in Pittsburgh doing different kinds of art and different types of making to come together. I would say an artist and a maker can be two sides of the same coin. I think there are many folks who consider themselves to be artists, but they are really making something that becomes kind of a useful or functional thing that people use. Our collective, we have lots of maker artists and folks who make clothing, design pieces that can be used in the home, different kinds of home decor items.
I consider myself a maker because I make clothes and design clothes. Some of the skills that I'm learning here are teamwork, how to collaborate, and what I hope to get out of this program is to basically how to run my own business.
I am an artist and I do consider myself a maker. I create gemstone-based jewelry. I do a lot of wire wrapping, and then I also have a line of skin and hair care products that I create. You know, I've learned a lot talking to a lot of the companies that we've gone to, and had a lot of fun in some of the spaces where there are different kinds of makers, and I see the ways that people can transition and have transitioned, and so I think that I could see myself doing it.